Summary Chapter 6, Self-Reliance. In this essay, Emerson urges his readers to follow their individual will instead of conforming to social expectations. Emerson argues for the importance of individualism. Believe in your thinking. Learn to find a ray of light in your mind and heart. Give importance to your thoughts. In the work of intelligent people, we see a reflection of our thoughts. It seems that we are taking our thoughts and opinions from others. Envy is ignorance and imitation is suicide. Try yourself. Better or worse, try yourself. Unless you try yourself, you can't know what you can do. Putting your heart into work brings joy and peace. Trust yourself. Accept the place that divine providence has chosen for you. Do what you have to do, and don't worry about what people think. You will find people who think they know more than you. It's easy to follow other people's opinions, but a great person maintains his freedom and opinion among the crowd. Establish your existence. Never imitate anyone. The borrowed talent is only a temporary and imperfect possession. No one knows what you are until you show yourself. Every great person is unique. Find the ability you have been given. Listen to your heart and create your new creative world. Society never progresses. It retreats on one side as fast as it advances on the other. It undergoes constant changes, but this change is not for the better. For everything that is given, something is taken. Society acquires new arts and loses old instincts. Today's civilized man has lost his strength, vigor, and health. Today's civilized man has made things, but he is away from nature and instincts. His information and knowledge are limited. Modern objects have crippled his memory. Nothing can give you peace except the victory of principles.